this Friday. I expected that. I know so she go shout. Aria! You understand? And are you not just like house? Like me just like house.
That's how I did.
As a real boo, at least I
so
I'm
the
African
now
woman.
boo with this.
It's not a boo.
Now blouse.
No, just open your cloth for you.
All right, my beautiful people, how on our day this afternoon? Friday, yes! And our time, I'm so excited about the Friday because I don't
look excited.
no,
Sorry.
because a lot of this is going on here, so you feel not see me do. But I did very happy because it's time for me to rest Saturday and Sunday. But you know what, in today, you not be a regular people that you go actually see for inside the studio. We get two people who don't join us inside the studio. And we get Stays and Cheddar inside the studio with us today. And they go put out inside all the matters them where we go songs give you. I know so you want to see who Stays and Cheddar be. Camera, can you just pan to them right now? Let the people see.
And that is
and they are doing peace. And this is Cheddar.
This is
not
cheddar.
More Cheddar, but just
cheddar.
The baddest cheddar.
Baddest Cheddar.
We don't know whether it's baddest.
We go to ask that baddest. We go need to define that baddest.
All right, but you still know my name. My name is Uvi Egamosoi. And the remaining ladies, then they're going to don't cover themselves one by each.
Yes, today on Friday, my favorite day of the week. You know the amazing part, we say, our followers, Twitter, Instagram, they know, say, okay, when it comes to Friday, now Betiana, I love you all. I love you. My name is Betiana Unweli, and welcome to Talk Talk.
My name is Namaka Okudiafo.
All right, so before we actually go into the reason why Stays and Cheddar are inside our studio today, we're going to need to take our celebrity Totori off today. Will they come back?
Abike Kafayat Oluwatoyin Dabiri na the name wey everybody knows since from the time where she did NTA, where she be make mark as newscaster and reporter. She na Naija politician and member of the Nigeria Federal House of Representatives where they represent Ikorodu constituency for Lagos State. She be the chairman of the House Committee on Media and Publicity. Dem been born Abike Dabiri Arewa for October 11, 1962 to the family of Alhaji and Alhaja Ashafa Erebogbo for inside Ikorodu. She attended Maryland Convent School, Maryland Ikeja, and St. Teresa's College, Ibadan for her secondary education. She gets her first degree for University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, Ile-Ife. She gets postgraduate diploma for mass communication and also master's degree for mass communication from the University of Lagos, Akoka. She also goes school for John F. Kennedy School of Government, Harvard University, USA. Abike worked for NTA for 15 years and she be the anchor of Obonga program where they call Newsline, and that program everybody they refer to the program as Sunday Tonic, where they hammer on top poverty and social justice matter. She retired from her position from Television House to stand for election in the House of Representatives. She win with substantial majority. When she dey on seat, she stand against the third term bid for the before Presido Olusegun Obasanjo. As a politician wey she sponsor plenty important bills where Parliament pass wey include the Freedom of Information Bill, Bill for Act, make sure say people with physical gbege wey go help comot every badness against them. Bill for the Nigerian infant welfare. This make sure say every pikin wey dey under the age of 5 go fit receive free medical care. Bill for Naija people where they live for Obodo Oyibo country. As e be say Abike Dabiri Arewa get plenty things to do, she still get time for her family. She say she dey always try to please her husband in all ways. She come out come talk say she like beans well and she like to cook am by herself. And also she talk say wife must be wife no matter the amount of success wey she gather. God bless Abike with 2 boys and she presently dey married to Segun Arewa. She na the current chairperson of the House Committee on Diaspora Affairs. She been dey elected for the first time inside 2003 and re-elected for inside 2007. Congratulations to you, Abike Dabiri, and we say well done as you be our celebrity Totori of today.
You know what, I be dey talk with my elder sister recently and she was like, Uwi, I be like say you need to go train under Abike Dabiri because now she don't get one institute where she dey train journalists on a lot of things. and a person where you as a journalist, you as a presenter, you they actually look up to because you want to actually beat waiting she actually do for inside the media. Yeah, kudos to you, Abike Dabiri.
Well, for me, that step was taken a very good step because I remember during the election, when we go cover election, I get one question where one journalist asked, and our governor, Governor Fashola, he look all of us around like, you know that look of, really? And I don't get any other thing to talk. Now that kind of look, he give all of us around where he can work out, come out. And shame catch me because I look the person, they look, say, really? You don't see, I know go talk the thing because, you know, not be something to be proud of. But Abike Dabiri, I did very, very proud. Now, woman way be say if you look up to because all the way from presenting for inside one of our Kajad TV stations, all of a sudden she entered politics. Now, why are they telling us? Betiana for Senate 2020. Yes. 2020. You 2045. 2020 Delta State House of Assembly. Delta State House of Assembly. I'm coming for you.
We shall get there.
You know.
We shall get there.
You know.
All right, we still get Stays and Cheddar in the building. What's up, guys? What's up?
Chilling.
Okay, you now I did, you now we did. So which I'm going for?
Anyone, all join.
So na collabo.
A brand. My brand with the build up. My brand
Listen, I talk this before we come on air.
It's in our brand. All right, you know what? We always bring out some discussion things where all of us go put mouth inside. Yeah. So as we get the privilege to stay inside the Talk studio, we're going to put mouth inside all our discussion topics. Maybe just one. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Now I just want to ask Una this question. You go allow or you go welcome your partner X into your house? You go welcome your partner X.
My partner X.
Yes.
Like
now, let's say your partner X go welcome them into your house.
It's gonna come fine.
Maybe not just friends they be now. They're not the date anymore. And you just want to come visit Una.
Maybe business partner.
You go welcome her.
I just come, but you don't stay too long, sha.
You gotta stay.
It
depends on the relationship we have to get now.
Okay, which kind? We talk say your partner X in the sense
like your wife,
like your wife ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
It's gonna come fine for us. That's how I talk, man.
You come from my house. Stay. So I want to understand where he says you got stay.
It depends on the kind of parole we don't play before they come scatter. You understand? So maybe as in scatter for back, now we guys go rearrange in our own matter.
So you go welcome her.
So you go say, okay, welcome to my humble abode.
No be say I go to welcome her, but we'll get time. Like I'll give her time. We'll have to go just stay. You understand? Just stay, no man.
You is a very understanding somebody.
Unlike me. Because I don't know what my husband ex they find for inside our house. Even if I get any business package, anything, hey, well, now why they get all these fast food and things? Now why office day for there? Now why they get telephone, but if I catch you, they call him. Don't call him. If he calls you, I know how to handle him, but you don't call him. Maybe I'll know for inside the matter. I know say maybe we know if you do business together because I mean anything if you bring people together, you understand. But not bring and come house. Why? Anything you don't do for the past, maybe you keep on for inside the past. Not bring and come right there.
You know, say this thing we don't really talk on like over 5 or 10 times for this place. Say, waiting won't carry your ex. Like you know, say we get one time this lady we bring come the last time we talk say, wait, you go agree make your ex get anything as make she go her ex-boyfriend house go stay or visit.
And she thought say she did do
and
Judith. No, but because say Judith marry Oyibo man.
Even they know they care.
Because she marry person like Namdi or Effiong
like us.
or person like Tunde
Or Cheddar.
or Sheyi.
Or
Cheddar.
No. Cheddar.
No, Stays, you say you go allow her enter your house. Your own don't come out.
No, but seriously, because if you look at waiting the man they come find or waiting the woman they come find for my house. You don't get house again. You don't get family.
You don't get house.
You don't get other relations. You can't be saying na my husband house. If you say you won't come, hello. You're not needed.
For me, I don't go actually welcome. I don't need to even talk too much. I don't go welcome. If I want meet outside, fine. But I don't even want to know whether I want meet outside. That's me. I don't just want to know. Just meet her without my knowledge. But if I know, say okay, when I meet once and then I call the plenty message. Okay, can we meet again? Oh, can we go out again? Hey, yeah, Kasala don't boss.
You know, so may I dice and small. You know the girl. You know your ex, as in, you know your husband ex-girlfriend, and you know say they still be friends, say they always communicate, and somehow something happen, the girl come the house, you go agree?
It depends on what's bring the girl.
Now let's make me talk talk say me I die Sam.
I really don't know until
But make I tell you, if she come the house
don't
based on maybe her boyfriend break her heart or she get issue for her husband, I go chase her more. Because now that time my husband go come and say, oh, sorry from that, you know, things can.
No issue go make me stay, but allow her stay for my house.
No,
No
but it
way.
depends.
Maybe that
No
means maybe
way.
that so
No way. I rather go put her for. I rather give money, go put her for hotel.
I thought she go come your house before you go pick give her
come
money.
the house.
now.
Okay, no. If she won't come that few 5 minutes to talk
No,
about her problem, no problem. You want to come out? I'm not fit. I'm not fit at all. I'm not fit. But you wait there. They tell us that you go fit. Welcome your partner X to your house. Whether say yes, your partner X, you will feel welcome and come in your house. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia, put your mouth inside. Time for us to meet who stays and Cheddar B. So who are these people inside our studio? We yes say una be artist.
Yeah, we are artists.
Okay, so
How many songs una don't drop?
Don't drop 3 songs now. Ileke, beat the drum, and now come around.
I dey try picture am for my head how una take collabo together. Can you sing the Ileke together? Make I hear una voice how I take gel.
Okay.
Because una brand. Yeah, a brand.
Okay.
Yes.
Most that time.
Yes.
Nah.
na.
You ready?
We there.
Okay.
Wait. If you ready, say yeah.
Yeah. Just
That
give
na
her
whiskey.
clap. Just give her clap.
Okay. If you ready, say Yano.
Yeah, no.
no.
Oh, yeah, go on.
Go on, go on.
Okay. Where the auntie, we want to jolly. Auntie Missy C, I know you want to party. Oh yeah, come at your panties, make we all begin. Make una come see, waiting I dey see. Go naughty, ileke tumbona. Go crazy, ileke tumbona. No, go naughty. Babe.
I know
I don't hear your voice. I be one here
Make I
talk.
sing
Okay,
now.
when
No, I want two of you
now.
together. I want to see how you blend.
Oh, me say they blend.
Yes.
Una say na be brand.
Your brand now.
You say now brand me say I sing the sing, you dey jump pack am. Now
Okay,
brand
so
me
the
dey give
video
space
now,
for the song.
if we see the video, no be 12 na dey sing.
No, everybody get their part where they dey sing.
yeah,
No
So just like we
dey-
have the video.
As they sing, it just the.
I don't know if we get the video. Do we have the video? All right. Okay.
So no be say I sing the sing, I go jump like song where we say he has a part to play and I have
Then
a
you
part to
get your own
play.
part to play.
But the main thing is that we are all bringing out one very wonderful piece together.
So how long na don dey sing now? How long?
It's like 2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah.
So how long una see una sef dey go on with this music?
We saw ourselves like we don't see ourselves like 4 years back. So we don't dey push the thing, push am. So last 2 years we got a contract together in the same label. So half of the first year we were together. Now we drop Ileke.
Okay.
Not so long after that time, we can't drop Beat the Drum. And now we just drop Come Around again. Another one we down there now.
Okay, so I want to actually ask you, this, una just, it is sweet to us, and they talk, say, we be brand, but I don't say so many brands, both Obodo and for inside Nigeria, where they say, when the money begin enter, begin to enter join. So, in the next 5-6 years from now, when by the grace of God, maybe una go down hammer, and una go down blow, and the money don't they enter.
Amen.
And
I decide to go solo.
I know be pastor, I know they preach for now.
I go
And
see
then,
claim am, I go see claim am.
stars.
We will claim the blessing.
States can't decide, say, you know what, actually, I don't want to take the chorus again. I want the lead. And you say you want lead. Say, no. How when I feel, say, when I won't actually settle all those kinds of scores?
Before that time, even before now, where we did like this, we get this major understanding where we say we don't always get. Not be all about the song. We don't grow past no more to just work together. We be like one piece now, you understand? We be like one body. So for us to get that kind of misunderstanding, it be like something we don't outgrow.
So you
So
tell
more
me,
years
say,
from
when I know the
States.
fight.
More years from
States
States.
don't quiet since.
And like Mercy, like if we want to do song now, so to avoid those, now you go take the hook, now me go take the hook, or now you go take verse. So we just decide like, okay, now you get this hook for this song, so you guys carry on. So once you do the hook, or me if I do my own too, you understand? So we'll see the one with the good. Not be all about say make I sing. It's all about say make your
Bring
own,
out the best.
make your own be the best. You understand? Once we see and say, say this one makes sense, this one makes sense, this one makes sense. Oh, this one makes sense. Okay, well, I'm gonna go with this one. You understand? So in another song too, we go do the same thing. You understand? If my own makes sense, I go with them like that. So if your own makes sense too for other song, we go stay down. But wait, I just make I work hard, make my own fits come up too. You understand? So we know the get any misunderstanding. But that's why I say we dey fight for us.
I'm stubborn boy.
Someone talk
fight
about
here
una
for
management
us.
because I know say it's not that easy today signed up to management. How una see the entire process? Because I know how some artists they actually suffer in terms of management.
You know, say everything na God. Everything na God. Anywhere we find yourself, no say nothing easy. Nothing easy because if you want to say, because say you don't dey sing or because say you see label, if you say your label go do for you everything, you dey under management, you want me your management, you want dey 100% satisfied, you dey wrong. However you meet yourself, you just have to acknowledge it and embrace it like that.
All right, thanks everyone. So you entered our studio. I'm wishing you all the best for your musical career.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to need to buy a small break. When we come back after this break, and we go ask you now this question. You fit mess for your partner presence, and also
Yes, girl.
we go get
I know
Shakara
that's how
and
why
Kelly
not?
Black. We go join us inside the studio. So don't go anywhere, and I still talk.